Every house in Arizona has a water heater, and we need to be servicing it just like you would oil in your car. Every year we want to flush it, and every 2 to 3 years we want to be changing the anode rod, and this is how you can prolong the life out of your water heater. What we always recommend also is upgrading this valve from a factory valve to what's called a full port drain valve. This is how we're going to get all the sediment out of your water heater, and that's how you make your water heater last longer in Arizona.